Hey guys, what's happening? How to compare Australian credit cards using Finder. Go ahead to your browser, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit banking, okay? And make sure, not banking, yeah, banking. And make sure to go to the official website of Finder, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the bank account, let's say checking account, right? And you can find right here the credit building cards by clicking credit building cards, and you're gonna be able right here to see the guide, right? You're gonna be able to compare between the websites, right? Between the credit card websites, and you can narrow it down, right? Of course, you can use high yield like we showed you before, low interest, no annual fee, whatever, right? And then you can compare the key features between the two, right? Between the three, excuse me, in this case. And obviously you can go ahead to scroll a little bit down to find the pros and cons in more details if you want to read the reviews for each credit card, right? And obviously if you like what you see, you can go ahead and go to the site and apply online. So Finder makes it easy to find the best credit card based on your financial needs. So we will catch you in the next time.